Callum, guess what I got?
Horse corn.
Callum,
Yeah,
where are you?
in the kitchen.
Yeah, me.
I wasn't looking at anything weird.
Anyway, guess what I got?
What?
Got us a pet.
Jen, I'm not going to landlord let us have a pet.
Oh, this isn't any ordinary pet. Trust me. Right? Guess what we got? I got though.
What? Parrot. James! I don't think it's a real parrot.
Hey, so wait. Hold on. Yo, what do you mean you don't think it's a real parrot? Of course it's a real. You're real, aren't you?
James, I think it's a toy.
No. The toy?
Did you get that from Argos?
No. Genuine parrot. Feel these feathers. They're feathers of a
James?
goddess.
I'm sorry, but that's a toy.
No. With a toy, alright? Do this. Do they talk?
Yes. My Woody talks.
Don't know about your woods, my friend, but
Not that Wood. My Woody from Toy Story.
I'm talking about my parrot. Hello.
So is that all it does then?
Is it all it does? No, of course not.
That is pretty cool, but James, it's not a real parrot.
Pretty sure my little friend here, Jeffrey, is genuine parrotness.
Jeffrey the parrot.
Jeffrey the
James, how much did you pay for Jeffrey the parrot?
I paid the price of a parrot. That's what I
How
paid.
much would that be?
You know, like, how much would you say is an expensive parrot?
An expensive parrot?
Yeah.
Over £5,000 maybe? How much? Did you
£5,000
spend?
would get you a little diddy parrot, you know, that's slightly brain dead. But this is mahoosive and it's a clever bird, aren't you?
James, it's a toy. How much did you pay for that parrot toy?
More than 5,000.
You paid over £5,000 for a toy parrot? Right, we're taking it back.
No.
We are taking it back. Say goodbye to Jeffrey.
No, Jeffrey, don't say bye to you, do we?
I'm going to call Argos, telling them that we're going to take it back.
See, you enjoyed the dancing too.
Okay, the dancing can move.
Yeah.
Right, that's it.
Callum, no! Oh, I want to miss you. See, he's hilarious, isn't he? Screw you, Callum! You know what? I feel like I did a little dance. Oh, you like that, don't you, Auntie? But dance with me. Come on. Dance. Come on. Fine. Don't do what I say then. See if I care. Come on. Say something. Yeah, what? Dead? Jeffrey!